Yeah, good afternoon, everybody from my part. I hope you can see well the slides. Okay, so before we go to the proper content of our study, Metals for Clean Energy, I would like to just share you what kind of research we do at our research group and the context in which that study has been written. So my research group is called Sustainability Assessments of Materials and Circular Economy Strategies. And what we do is actually, so what we do is monitoring and guiding other research groups, companies, but also policymakers, the progress towards circular economy. So we are convinced that for progressing towards circular economy, we really need a very good evidence base for which we have to develop a good indicator and relevant indicators and to gather the proper data and so on. So what we are mainly doing in our group is assessing sustainability, that's the environmental sustainability, as well as the economic and social sustainability of material life cycles. We assess resource efficiency of products, product systems, the main contribution to circular economy and so forth. And we use that to help developing strategies to improve the life cycle impact and of circular economy strategies. And for that, we use actually integrated models. We try to integrate different types of techniques to assess this sustainability, such as life cycle assessment, materials flow analysis, statistical entropy analysis, exergy, and so forth, as well as some economic models, say environmental life cycle costing, cost-benefit analysis, and things like that. Typical topics that we cover with our research team are criticality of the future supply of metals, optimization of the sustainability of, for example, biorefineries. Also, we are very much involved in all kinds of projects about recycling technologies, but also at the same time, we are looking at product service systems, business models for the circular economy, and so forth. So we do cover actually 3 research areas that we can discern within our research. That's policy research. We do quite a lot of research at the interface of science and policy. We do also lead the Circular Economy Center for the Flemish administration. The study that we will present in a minute is also related to that research area of the policy research. In that research, we also move more and more towards the interface as well with artificial intelligence research, datafication, since data is data and data governance is extremely important for the circular economy. We need a good quality, we need more data. And circular economy is also a matter of collaboration between companies and with public authorities and customers. And yeah, we have to overcome a lot of information and data gaps in that view. A second research area is more dedicated to critical metals recycling, valorization of industrial residues, which is also very much related, I would say, with the topic and the themes covered by the Flanders Metals Valley. And the third area is about bio-based materials, biorefineries, natural fiber composites, which is further away, I guess, of your field of interest. So just to say a few words more about the Policy Research Center. So we do lead already for 10 years a research center together with groups, other groups of KU Leuven, but also groups of University Antwerp, University Hasselt, and University Ghent. in which we develop actually a monitoring system, in which we do also modeling of scenarios for the future scenarios about the effect of different incentives of the administration for the circular economy. We have written a lot of papers on that. We also launched in November the monitor for the circular economy for the Flemish region, and that monitor is still evolving, of course. We also are now setting up projects to translate that towards company contexts, but also towards cities and so forth. And of course, we also involved in a lot of educational activities, which is also a pillar within Flanders Metals Value about entrepreneurship in circular economy, but also sustainability, leadership, and so forth. So I will not dwell any more longer on what our research group is doing and go directly now towards the presentation of Lisbeth. Just as a last remark, we are very much linked also with the Swim Square within KU Leuven, with Sidon as well, but we do also have a core lab in the Flanders Make research center, and have a very close link, of course, with Flanders Circular and with Leuven 2030. So Euromito asked us to write a study on scenarios for future supply of metals in view of the energy transition. And that's what Lisbeth now will present to you. Lisbeth is member of our team since 2 years. Unfortunately, she will have a further step in her career and will go to Karel after this, but she was still with us to present you our study. So, Lisbeth, I will give you the floor now.